Good morning, Anna. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, John. Yes, I slept very well.
That is wonderful to hear. The coffee smells amazing.
It really does. I love our morning routine.
Are you ready for work today?
Almost. I just need to check my schedule.
Do you have many meetings this morning?
Yes, 3 meetings before lunchtime.
What about your schedule today?
I am working from home all day.
That sounds nice and relaxing.
It is, but I have a lot of reports to write.
We should grab lunch together later.
I would love that. What time?
Let us aim for 12:30.
Perfect. 12:30 works for me.
Do we need any groceries for tonight?
Let me check the refrigerator.
We might need some fresh vegetables.
Yes, we are out of tomatoes and spinach.
I can pick them up after my work.
Are you sure? I can do it instead.
No, it is okay. I pass by the store anyway.
Thank you, John. That helps a lot.
What are you planning to cook tonight?
I want to make a vegetable pasta.
That is my absolute favorite dish.
I know it is. That is why I chose it.
We should finish our coffee now.
You are right. Time is passing quickly.
I will wash the mugs today.
No, let me do it. You made the coffee.
Have a wonderful and productive morning.
Thank you, John. You have a great day too.
See you at 12:30 for lunch.
Yes, see you soon.
Anna, are you ready to plan our weekend trip?
Yes, I am so excited about it.
Me too. Where should we go this time?
I was thinking about the mountains.
What do you think about the northern peaks?
And...
In Xironyand?
How long is the drive to get there?
It takes about 3 hours by car.
That is not too long at all.
We can leave early Saturday morning.
Should we pack hiking boots and jackets?
Definitely. The weather might be chilly.
I will check the weather forecast tonight.
What about food for the trip?
We can bring snacks and sandwiches.
And stop by a local bakery on the way.
That is a wonderful tradition for us.
Should we invite our friends to join?
I think this time we should go alone.
Just the two of us for a quiet getaway?
Yes, that sounds really peaceful.
I will book the cabin online tonight.
Please make sure it has a balcony.
I will look for one with a great view.
Thank you so much, John.
I cannot wait for Saturday to arrive.
Neither can I, Anna. It will be amazing.
We need to pack our bags by Friday night.
I will pack mine right after dinner.
This trip is going to be so relaxing.
We really needed a break from work.
I agree completely with you.
Let us go look at the pictures again.
Sitting here makes me feel ready already.
Me too, John. Let us finalize the booking.
Opening the laptop right now.
Perfect weekend ahead.
Anna, do we have our shopping list ready?
Yes, I wrote everything down on my phone.
Excellent. Where should we start first?
Let us start with the fresh vegetables.
We need fresh carrots and broccoli.
I see the broccoli right over there.
Is it fresh and bright green?
Yes, it looks extremely fresh today.
Should we also buy some sweet potatoes?
That is a great idea for dinner.
Next, we need to find the dairy section.
That is on the other side of the store.
Do we need whole milk or low fat?
Let us get the organic whole milk.
Look, they have fresh bakery items here.
Oh, those croissants look so delicious.
Should we treat ourselves to a box?
Just one small box for Sunday morning.
Do we need any snacks for movie night?
Popcorn and dark chocolate would be nice.
Perfect choice. I will grab the chocolate.
And I will grab the popcorn bags.
Is there anything else on the list?
Let me check my phone list again.
Take your time. No rush at all.
We need dish soap and paper towels.
That is the last item on our list.
We found everything very quickly today.
Teamwork makes shopping so much easier.
Now we just need to find the checkout lane.
Which checkout line looks shorter?
The third one has only 2 people waiting.
Let us head straight over there.
Lead the way, John.
Ready to check out, Anna?
Ready? Let us get home quickly.
The ice cream might melt if we are slow.
Oh, right. Let us hurry up.
What is our cooking plan for tonight, Anna?
We are making homemade vegetable pizza.
That sounds amazing. What is my job?
You can chop the bell peppers and onions.
And I will roll out the pizza dough.
Do you want the peppers sliced thin or thick?
Thin slices will bake much better.
Got it. Thin slices coming right up.
How is the dough looking so far?
It is smooth and stretchy now.
You are really good at making dough.
Thank you. Practice makes perfect.
미 바디 보셨었대?
My peppers and onions are fully chopped.
They look wonderful and neat.
Should I add the cheese next?
Yes, sprinkle a generous layer of mozzarella.
Do you like mushrooms on your pizza too?
Yes. Add as many mushrooms as possible.
I sliced some up just a moment ago.
The pizza looks like a colorful work of art.
It really does. We make a great cooking team.
What temperature should the oven be?
Set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
How many minutes should it bake?
About 15 minutes until the crust is golden.
I will set a timer on my phone right now.
Good idea, so we do not forget.
Into the oven goes the pizza.
Smells delicious already.
Cannot wait to eat dinner.
Just 15 more minutes, John.
Anna, are you ready for movie night?
Yes. I have been waiting for this all week.
What kind of movie should we watch tonight?
How about an exciting comedy film?
Or would you prefer a mystery movie?
A comedy sounds better to relax our minds.
Do you have any specific movie in mind?
There is a new travel comedy on the streaming app.
What is the title of that movie?
Let me check the trending list.
It has great reviews from viewers.
Oh, I see it. The poster looks funny.
Is it about a road trip across the country?
Yes, exactly. Lots of funny adventures.
That sounds like a wonderful choice.
Let us select it and press play.
Did you bring the popcorn from the kitchen?
Yes, it is right here in the big bowl.
Is there extra butter on top?
Extra butter and a little bit of salt.
Should we dim the lights completely?
Yes, let us make it feel like a real cinema.
I will use the remote to dim them down.
Thank you, John. That is very cozy.
The opening credits are starting now.
Perfect timing with the popcorn bowl.
Pass me a handful of popcorn, please.
Here you go. Enjoy the snacks.
This scene is already making me laugh.
Me too. The actors are so funny.
I am glad we picked this movie.
It is turning out to be a great night.
This scene is already making me laugh.
Me too. The actors are so funny.
I am glad we picked this movie.
It is turning out to be a great night.
Shh, the main joke is coming up.
Okay, I am watching closely.
This is the best part of the week.
I completely agree with you.
Anna, are we ready to clean the house today?
Yes, let us divide the tasks evenly.
That sounds like a fair plan. What do you want to do?
I can vacuum the living room and bedroom.
Anna, are we ready to clean the house today?
Yes, let us divide the tasks evenly.
That sounds like a fair plan. What do you want to do?
I can vacuum the living room and bedroom.
What chores would you like to take on?
I will clean the windows and dust the shelves.
That is a very helpful combination of tasks.
Let us put on some upbeat music while we work.
What kind of music should we play?
Some cheerful pop music is always good.
I will connect my phone to the wireless speaker.
Perfect. Music makes cleaning much faster.
Should we open the windows for fresh air?
Yes, the spring breeze feels wonderful today.
I will open the living room window wide.
And I will grab the dusting spray and cloth.